I got these wood sunglass cutouts from Hobby Lobby. They were $3.99 and I got them when the spring shop was having 40% off. I'm just going to remove the jute hanger and put that aside. And starting with some Wise Owl anchor, I'm going to paint the left sunglass lens with the Wise Owl anchor paint. I'm then going to move to the right lens, and using some Wise Owl Snow Owl, I'm going to give that 2 coats for some good coverage. And then I'm going to allow that to fully dry. I'm going to go around the frame of the sunglasses with some Wise Owl Black. And so far you have seen me using the Prima Redesign brush set of 7 that is on our webpage at chocolatefancy.com, and they are just a pack of art brushes that come with 7 different sizes. And once I had everything painted, I just allowed everything to fully dry. Next, I took a 220 grit sanding block and I just gave everything a quick sanding. And then you just want to remove all of the sanding dust. I got these wood stars from Hobby Lobby. It was a pack for $2.99, and I'm just going to take a few out. And they come with 2 different sizes. And I'm going to paint them using the Wise Owl Snow Owl. And once those were fully covered, I allowed those to dry. I have some blue painter's tape. It is 1 inch wide, and I'm going to lay 1 piece at the top of my right lens. And I'm going to take a second piece and place it below that. Then I'm going to lift the top piece, lay it underneath my second piece, and then take a third piece, lay it down, and then remove the other middle piece. I'm basically using 1 piece of the blue painter's tape as a spacer so that my lines are even. And I'm going to fill that in with some Wise Owl Republic Red. And once the white is fully covered, I'm then going to lift up my painter's tape, and here now we have some red and white stripes. I'm going to take my white stars that are dry now, and I'm going to place them on the left lens. And you can hold these in place using some hot glue like I did here, or you can also use the Elmer's wood glue, which is a great glue for wood projects. I again took my sanding block and just gave everything a quick sanding and removed all the dust. I'm going to take some of my Wise Owl furniture salve, and I'm going to give my sunglasses a top coat. And you can see here how this really just brightens and freshens the paint up, especially after you sand it down. And I just have a cotton sock here that I'm just removing any extra and just rubbing in the salve. Now this was an afterthought. I'm going to take my Heavy Metals silver paint and I'm going to go on top of the black. I decided I wanted the frame of my sunglasses to have a chrome appearance. I also have these small wood letters, USA, and I'm going to paint them with my silver heavy metallic paint as well. I'm going to take some jute, and starting on the left side, I'm going to string the jute through the hole here, tie a little knot, and then I'm going to string a red, white, and blue bead onto the jute. And then I'm going to string another red, white, and blue bead and then tie the Jew on the right side of the sunglasses here. And once I have the new hanger in place, I'm going to take my USA that is now dry, and I'm going to glue that onto the top right side of the right lens. And there we go. Now we just have this really fun Americana sunglass decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also watch other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.